Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand how to import a Eclipse project into IntelliJ IDE. So let's get started. Now friends, here is the standard interface of IntelliJ IDE. In order to import a Eclipse project, we will navigate to File, we will click on New, and we will select this option of Project from Existing Source. Here we go. Then we need to select the location where we are having the project. So in order to make things very simple, here is the project I have already kept on C drive. So here is the project by the name of Working with Inheritance Part 5. Let me click on OK. And in here we need to specify which type of external model we are using, whether it is a Eclipse project, Maven project, or a Gradle project. So definitely it's a Eclipse project, so we will click on this Eclipse option, then we will click on Next. Alright, now it will ask us couple of things like create model files near .class path file and things like that. We will navigate and we will use the default values only. We will click on Next directly and everything seems to be good enough. Let me click on Next. And we will also use the default coding style and we will click on finish. Now definitely there are like jars, multiple jars, and everything seems to be good enough. Let me click on finish, and now we will use a new window in order to handle the project. So we will click on this option, new window. This will take a couple of seconds, and here is the new window for us. And now if we check, there would be like couple of issues in here. First of all, there are like a desktop.ini file. These are like operating system hidden files which are copied. Unfortunately, these are of no use, so let me delete it. Alright, now friends, inside this project there are like multiple folders, and let me specify the folders. The folders are parent, where we have this vehicle class, then we have this bike class, then we also have the car class, then we also have the truck class, and finally we also have the demo class. And if we check, we have the main method inside the demo class. Now friends, here is the rule. When it comes to IDE, the name of the class should be main, where we have the main method. So if we have the main method inside this class demo, it won't work. We need to update the name from demo to main in order to get started with this project. So this is the first change which we need to do. So I will simply right click, navigate to refactor, and we will rename the file to main.java. We will refactor, and here we will also update the name of the class. Let me save the changes. Alright, and now there is some kind of issue going on. Here it is showing this src folder. Let me check what is going wrong. Now friends, this issue is due to this setup of SDK. So let me set things up properly. In here, let me set up the SDK and save the changes. Alright, now as soon as I have set things up properly, the issues are vanished, which is amazing, and now we are all set to run our main method. So I will simply right click and run the main method. This will take a couple of seconds. It will build the project in the background and we will finally get the output. And here is the output. Perfect. So everything is working properly as expected. And this is how we can like import the project. There are like couple of things like for example, name of the class should be updated, where we have the main method. Then there are like couple of configuration related stuff, for example SDK setup or some external jar file setup. Apart from that, everything is cool enough, and it is recommended to use Maven. We will also check Maven later down the line in this course itself. Alright, so this was it about how to import Eclipse project into our IntelliJ IDE, which is fairly straightforward. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.